children. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, that is your presentation software special effects. What is your presentation or MS PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint allows us to replace our content into a series of slides in a presentable format which can be projected using a projector for the audience. So what is your MS PowerPoint? Your MS PowerPoint is a collection of slides or a series of slides or number of slides which is in a presentable format. They can even be printed and distributed as hangouts or published online using different file formats. So you can print your MS PowerPoint file, you can distribute it and you can publish it online. PowerPoint has various tools which can be used to create professional presentation. Yes, in Microsoft PowerPoint we are having various tools. By using that one we can create a professional presentation. The user can create presentation in two ways. Yes, you can create presentation in two ways. First one, your blank presentation. Second one, sample templates. So now we will see what are the steps to create presentation using inbuilt templates. Follow these steps to use inbuilt templates. Inbuilt template means some predefined or previously samples are available in presentation and we have to choose one from them. So start PowerPoint 2016. So I already explained how to open Microsoft Word and how to open your MS Office. You have to follow that steps to open your Microsoft PowerPoint. Double click on the template thumbnail on the start screen displaying the list of templates. You can also first click on the thumbnail to preview the template and then click on the create button. So what you have to do? First you have to see the samples or the templates and you have to choose one of them and click on the create button. You can also create a presentation based on online templates. You can also download templates from the online or from the internet and you can use to create a presentation. Type a term related to the desired template in the search box. You can also search templates as per your requirement. Click on the search button. You can also click on the suggested searches present below the search box. You will see a gallery of online templates. Select the desired template and click on the create button. You will see a new presentation consisting of a group of slides having different backgrounds. So next is your enhancing the presentation display. Now what is the meaning of enhance? Enhance meaning to increase the size of your font, to change the text type. You can increase and decrease the font size, color of your font. So this is the meaning of enhancing. Enhancing a presentation for the display, and display means how beautiful you can make it. So let's see the steps. Follow these steps to enhance the look of a presentation. Create a new presentation using blank presentation. Type any text in the slides and select it. So in the blank presentation you have to type the text and click on the font drop down and list in the font group of the home tab. Select the desired font to be applied to the text. Click on the drop down arrow of the font size button. in the font group of the Home tab to change the font size. Select the desired font size. Click on the Increase button to increase the size of the selected text. Clicking the button again increase the font size further. So here the Calibri body. This is your font type or type of text. If you click on the arrow, drop down arrow, it will show you so many options and you can choose one from them. So this is your size drop down arrow for the size. If you click on the drop down arrow, you will see the numbers. If you choose that number, it will increase the size according to that and decrease the size according to that. Next is your increase font size button. This one is your increase font size button. So it will increase the size of your font. So this is your decrease font size button. It will decrease the size of your font. Next is your clicking on the drop down arrow of the font color button in the font group of the Home tab, select the desired font color. There is the drop down arrow for the colors also. If you want to change the font color of your presentation, you can choose any color from that list. Next is your clicking on the text shadow button to apply shadow effect to the selected text. Clicking the button again removes the shadow effect. In Microsoft Word, I show you that how to add shadow effect in our text. You have to follow that step. Next, click on the bold, italic or underline button to apply formatting style to selected text. So, bold, italic and underline. So, there in the font group of your Home tab, there is the options are available BIU. So, you can use this buttons to apply bold, italic and underline format in your text. If you are not using this, then you can use the shortcut keys for that one. Control plus B is used for making the text bold. Control plus I is used to make the text in italic format, and Control plus U is used to put an underline after the text. Click on the Format Painter button in the clipboard group of the Home tab to apply the formatted text effect to another selection. So these things also we have discussed in our chapter number 3 in advanced features of Microsoft Word. Just you have to follow that steps also. Hold down the mouse and drag it over the text where the formatting effects need to be applied. Release the mouse button. Next, specifying the alignment. So what is the meaning of alignment? Alignment refers to the placement of a text of text on a slide. The alignment of the text can be adjusted before or after typing the text. Text can be aligned horizontally and vertically. Vertical alignment. Follow these steps to align the text vertically. Select the text. Click on the drop down arrow of the Align Text button in the paragraph group of the Home tab. Select the desired option from the menu displayed. Horizontal alignment. Follow these steps to align the text horizontally. Select the text. Select any option like align left, center, right and justify in the paragraph group of the Home tab. Specifying line spacing. Line spacing means provide line in between two lines. Providing space between in two lines. Follow these steps to adjust line spacing. Select the text. Click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group of the Home tab. You will see a list of options. Select the desired spacing. Applying themes. What is the meaning of theme? Themes are combination of colors, fonts, effects, backgrounds, layout, and much more that can be applied to a presentation. So what are the steps? Click on the Design tab. Scroll the mouse over the available thumbnail of theme in the Themes group. Click on More drop-down menu at the bottom right of the Themes group to view more theme. You will see the themes gallery. The preview of the theme is reflected on the slide as you hover the mouse on any theme. Select the desired theme type. The slide will display the selected theme. Next is changing the color scheme. We can change the color scheme of a presentation. The color scheme of various elements like title and background can also be changed. Follow these steps to change color scheme. To apply color scheme to a slide, click on the Design tab. Go to the Theme group. Left click on the theme to be applied. You can also right click on the selected theme. You will see a shortcut menu. Select the Apply to All Slides option. This will apply the theme to all the slides in the presentation. Click on the More drop down arrow in the Variants group. Select the color option. Select the desired color scheme. Right click on the color scheme and select the Apply to All Slide option. This will apply the color scheme to all the slides. Select the Apply to Selected Slides option to apply the color scheme to selected slide. Next is changing background color. Follow these steps to change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. Click on the Format Background button in the Customize group of the Design tab. You will see the Format Background task pane. Select the desired file style option from the displayed list in the File section. Click on the Color button. Select the More option to select a different color from the displayed colors. You will see the Colors dialog box. Click on the Standard tab and select desired color. Select the Custom tab to create your own color scheme and click on the OK button. Click on the Apply to All tabs to apply the color scheme to all the slides. Click on the Close button to close the Format Background task pane. So this is your how you are going to provide the line spacing. These are the steps, these are the options, and here the alignments is available. And here just see, this is your font type, this is the size of your font, this is your increase size button, this is your decrease size button, this is your uppercase, lowercase options are there, this is your shadow effect, this is the color of your text, bold, italic and underline. So these are the things. So that's all for this video. In next class we will discuss about presentation, more about presentation, and I will show you these things practically. So thank you children.